Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. We have two more angles lessons that we're going to learn to wrap up the end of the year. So this is more of a review from 6th grade, most of it, some of it may be new. Okay, so feel free to ask questions if you have them. All right, so we are starting off by classifying angles. We are going to talk about acute, obtuse, right, and straight angles. So for my picture, for an acute angle, is usually a smaller angle. Doesn't have to be perfectly like that, but that's about it. And the measure is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse is usually a little bigger. See, the angle measures bigger, I should say, than the acute. This would be more than 90 degrees. A right angle is like a corner. It usually has a little box in the side, and it is equal to 90 degrees. And then a straight angle is basically a straight line, or it is a straight line, and that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so those are the four angles you'll be asked to classify. So you have to be able to name angles as well, meaning just like look at a picture and say, okay, that's angle 1, that's angle ABC. So there's 4 different ways. Not always will you have to do all 4. Not always will there be 4. Okay, so if we're using this angle as an example because it has all 4 ways. So one way is the easiest, by the number. So if you see a number inside, you see how it's in the angle, we can call this angle 1. So how we write that is this is the little angle measure sign. So it's like a little less than sign and then a curve. That's angle 1. So if I look at that, I read that as angle 1. This means angle. The next way we could do it is by the vertex. The vertex is the point in the middle. We could call this angle B because of that's also where the measure is. The next is by all 3 letters. So you can start here, A, B, C. So we call this angle ABC. Or we go the opposite way and call it angle C, B, A. Notice that the vertex is in the middle of both of these. Okay, so you can't call it like angle CAB because A would be over here and we would be CAB. That's not the angle we're measuring. Okay, so make sure the vertex is always in the middle. And again, the vertex is the middle where the angle is. All right, so we have a picture of an angle. It looks a little confusing, but hopefully me showing you will help you. So using the diagram, name one of each of the following angles. So an acute angle has to be less than 90 degrees. So there's plenty to choose from. I'm going to choose this one. Angle B, E, A. Because this angle right here, if I color it in, that is less than 90 degrees, I can tell. So angle B, E, A. Okay, again, if you choose something else, it's totally fine. Obtuse has to be big. So let's do angle F, E, A. Angle F, E, A. And again, this is because this is the angle we're talking about. That's definitely obtuse. Also, just so you know, you could name them in different ways. Like I could call this angle A, E, F, and then this one I can call A, E, B. Okay, so it doesn't matter the order as long as that you're using the right points and that one's in the middle. All right, a right angle. This one's nice and easy because look, they gave us the little right angle box. So we'll call this angle C, E, D. Angle C, E, D. Again, this could be also angle D, E, C. So it doesn't matter the order. E is always going to be in the middle. And a straight angle is a straight line. So let's just use this one right here. Angle A, E, D. Angle A, E, D. And again, that is A, E, D, straight line. You could do B, E, F as well. And if I want to do the opposite order, I could do D, E, A, or F, E, B. All right. So classifying each angle measure as an obtuse, right, straight, or acute. So just looking at the angle measure and saying, okay, this is this type of angle, whatever. So 45 degrees, because it is less than, that's not an angle, that's a less than symbol, 90 degrees, we would say a 45-degree angle is an acute angle. 180 degrees, if you remember from our definition up here, a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. So that would be straight. And 91 degrees is bigger or greater than 90 degrees, so we can call this obtuse. Okay, so let's see what you guys have to do. Up here. Okay, so 4 ways you're going to use all those. So, independent practice, answer each question by typing the answers in the white boxes. So what I want for these, you're going to classify for 4, 5, and 6, right? Classify for 4, 5, and 6. So all you have to say is this is obtuse, acute, right, or straight. Same for 5, same for 6. For 1, 2, and 3, you want to say the type. So in type, we would say, hopefully this one everyone knows because of that, oh my gosh, because of that box, this is a right angle. So you type that in there, and then the angle names are what we do 4 ways. Okay, so you're going to do that for 1, 2, and 3. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck. Miss you all.